I just remember that I have not tasted any Tanzanian food since I've got here. I ventured into the town, into the city of Dar es Salaam, and found a restaurant here that serves barbecue lunches. Shoma, they call it here. So it's meat or chicken grilled, and grilled, I think shoma means grilled in Swahili. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Ordered meat, shoma, and a side dish of barbecue banana. Just waiting for it to arrive. Off the looks of it, this place looks legit. Many local families are here now having lunch. Somebody told me that it was holiday today, so I think families are gathering and yeah, enjoying the city and having lunch out at restaurants. See how it goes with my food. I can go over to the grill and see if it's getting done already. Oh, here they have the chicken. I think that's my barbecue banana coming. Maybe. Kitchen here. There's the meat. Looks good. Looks good. Now just wait. I'm really hungry. This restaurant is located in some park area here, so in the downtown. Some houses, like quite big venue, and over there is the park. So after this lunch I will try to get in and go over to the park and see if I can walk around a little bit.
Yeah, also barbecue banana.
You don't have any barbecue banana? No. Ah, okay. So only this, but it's okay. Yeah, thank you.
Fried fries.
Sorry?
Fries.
Fries? Yeah, I can have fries.
Or can I bring the rice with the beans?
Yeah, the rice, if it's fast, yeah, then keep it rice. Okay, nyama shoma, nyama meat something shoma, and no barbecue banana. I get rice instead. All right. Try this food. Barbecue meat. It's good. Not so much spice. I think you should dip in the sauce I have here. I'm dipping here. Dipped in the sauce. That's more like it. There's some crunchy pieces of bone inside, but that's good meat. Oh, that was a spicy sauce. Spicy. Very spicy sauce. This was nice. I like spicy food. Dip it. Huh? Good. Maybe you can put some lime in the sauce. This was super good. Both local dishes, like all food I had on this trip have been really good. Local, and like I've been in one good restaurant like luxury restaurant type of thing, and it was very good, and also local food and food at the beach, and yeah. Tanzania is delivering food-wise. Barbecue meat. This was very good, Isa. This one, very good. I like it with the sauce, the hot sauce.
Can I bring the extra sauce?
No, I think this is enough. Oh, you have the beans there. Oh.
The fresh beans.
Oh, and yeah, cabbage. Nice.
Cabbage mixed with spinach.
Yeah, okay. Wow. Good, thank you. Thanks. Okay, I got some more stuff. The cabbage, meat, sauce, stuff, rice, beans. African lunch in the making. Great. Let's try the beans. African beans. These motherland beans. Some Tanzanian rice. It's always nice to have some beans in Africa. Meat. Do you think this was the best food so far on this trip? Cabbage. Mixed with spinach. Super tasty. I think I hit a good place here, but you can tell also there seems to be a lot of families here, like eating, and they chosen this place. Very delicious. Okay, I'll finish this and then try to reach the park. Bye. Just waiting for my change. This was not a park behind me, it was some kind of museum, like a village museum with these traditional huts and stuff. So I will not be able to go inside. Isa. Oh, shit. The change. Okay, nice. For you. Okay, thank you. Alright, that was an African meal, Tanzanian food. He got some tip also, he was a nice guy, like brought me food fast, and this was a good place. Breaking Point it's called, it's near the village museum apparently. So if you're ever in Dar, go to this place. Really good place. It's a nice cow in front. Buffalo.
Yes.
Buffalo.
Yeah, you here to Dar es Salaam.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. Tourist.
Yeah.
Tourist. Yeah. Good food here.
Yeah.
Good. Now stomach is full.
Welcome again.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. All right. I know how much more there is at this area. Yeah, now I can see that this is a tourist. Like they're selling stuff there for the museum. But it seems to be a place where a lot of local families go, since there is no tourists here. No, it's okay. Oh, here they have some animals also. What's going on? Oh, here is the village museum, and there are some groups. I wonder if I can sneak in. I'm sneaking into the museum. All right. Yeah, they have the traditional huts. Ah, nice hut. So this is how they used to live before, maybe, or in a rural area. House made of, what's this? Nyambo house. Near Lake Victoria.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Dance?
No dancing.
No dance.
No, it's okay. Thank you. Dancing. Not in the mood for any dancing. Maybe she wanted to show me some traditional dance. It's okay. It's okay for me. There's some huts. Nice ending. First an African meal, then African huts in Africa. This palm. Solid palms. Should I venture inside? Should I go in? I'm going in to the hut. Dark here inside. Can't see anything here, but now I'm inside an real hut. They're playing the drums over there. Now they are dancing. Maybe she invited me in there to look at dancing. Oh, they have a lot of huts here. But I think I will just go out now, since I think there is an entrance fee and I have not paid it. So, and I'm not in the mood for paying it either. A lot of huts here, so yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna head up to my taxi now. Hello.
Sorry, mister.
Yes.
How are you?
Fine.
Here is the exhibition area.
Oh.
So if you want to see this area, you must pay.
Aha, this is the exhibition.
Yeah, exhibition area.
Aha.
For tour.
Oh, sorry.
Tour, yeah.
I was just walking down from, I was having lunch there, eating there,
restaurant,
yeah, and then I walked down here to check, and I just like, oh, what is this? And I don't understand, sorry.
So this, if
Yeah.
you want to pay 12,000.
No, but it's okay, I leave. I was just going into this hut and that, so then I left, but sorry.
Fine. No problem.
Okay, sorry. There's the dancing. Okay.
Also, this you want to see, you pay 10,000.
Okay, I don't look. I don't look. But this place, this restaurant was very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Like best lunch.
Like international restaurant. Oh,
Yeah.
everything's
But I had shawarma.
Shoma.
Yeah, meat.
Yeah.
Very good with spicy sauce.
Yeah.
It was very good. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. All right, that was the guard working here. Okay. All right, this was it from African lunch and African huts in Africa. Now I'm going to my tuk-tuk driver. He was waiting for me over here. So, okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Welcome.
Where's that guy? Oh, over there. All right. Until the next video. Peace out.